Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
So this is a pair of chocolate down pillows, and it doesn't have a lot of designs on it, which is exactly right up my alley. Very simple. It's dark on dark, but I'm gonna see. And then here's the blanket. So we're gonna see, because I do have a couple of pillows on here, and if I have to, I'll just I have a white throw. I can put the white throw on top of this one, so double it, and then put these pillows here in my office if it doesn't look good in here. So guys, I had every intent to actually do a thorough cleaning all through the house, but I quickly burned out, and I'll have to pick it up another time. Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday evening. Yeah, I don't have much energy. But anyway, I have started to clean a little bit, but I think I'm just going to pace myself and do a little bit each day. I'm not going to overdo it. So I think I have found the perfect spot. If y'all hear anything in the background, that's CB's cartoons. But I think I found the perfect spot for the brown pillows. So you guys let me know if you agree. I don't think it looks good on the sofa, so I think I'm going to leave it in my office. So what do you guys think? The middle pillow is the pillow I was referring to that needed the insert. So I think the brown looks good in here. So yeah. Yeah, this is my nifty calendar, y'all. I got people's birthdays on there that's coming up. I got Keisha's. I have my friend whose birthday is tomorrow. And then I've got Jess's, just being me, on there for the 29th. And then I need to update it to October because this was September going into October. But yeah, it helps me stay on focus, y'all, believe it or not. So yeah, so office is clean. Of course, Miss Mia is sitting there looking at me. But I turn the chairs this way so the dogs won't think that they can hop in it and get in it. I'll allow them to do it during the week because I have blankets in there, but not on the weekends. Like I said, I'm going to take my time and just do a little bit at a time. I started working on the kitchen, but child, after I cooked, yeah. A big shout out to my sis, Sequana, for doing her cleaning and organization. And she was talking about a catch-all table. That's what my dining room table is. It's a catch-all table, but it's a work in progress. Had to let Buster out. Anyway, so the table, kitchen table, and this living room. I'm getting there, y'all. I'll get there. So a little bit each day, and I'll just document a little bit at a time. So I hope everybody has a great beginning of the week, and I'll pick y'all up later. Buster? Y'all, it's later in the evening. I'm not gonna lie. This video was supposed to have been a clean with me and ready for fall. The girl didn't get there, period. I hung out with my cousin today. We had a good time. Y'all, she is really turning me on to James Avery. I have a couple of bracelets, charms on here, the open Bible. This is going to be my faith bracelet. This is the open Bible. I have the keys to my heart here. That's one. And then this one today, the faith as small as a mustard seed. I have that one. And then I have the Bible. So I'm just starting out. And I'm really liking it, y'all. I'm not, like I said earlier, I'm not a jewelry person, but I like the jewelry. I do. I like it. It's unique. It's different. And y'all, while we were there, we saw the eclipse. it wasn't planned at all, but we saw the eclipse. It was so cool. And by the time we saw it, it had almost completely, the sun had almost completely covered the moon. And all you could see was just a silhouette of what was left. And it was burnt orange. I mean, bright, bright orange. And yeah, we got a chance to see it. So we had a good day. Had a good day overall. We're gonna hang out for a little bit tomorrow because I don't do things on too much on Sundays. And now I'm doing some meal prep for CB. And this, um, who is this? I don't remember what I was saying, but anyway, I think I'm gonna close out the vlog, y'all. This is a short vlog. The girl's been sneezing all day long, all day long. It was absolutely gorgeous here today. And, but anyway, hope y'all are having a great weekend. And Buster's wanting to get out of his crate, and I'll let him out in a minute. And yep, so I'm finished meal prepping for CB. And I think I'm going to take a long, nice bath, relax, and I'm going to chill. I'm going to edit this video and upload it. And I'll see y'all next week.